What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am super happy that you guys clicked on this video, and I am super happy to be filming this video for you guys. Now, today's video is a vlog, but I'm just starting off to put out a few disclaimers. First and foremost, I have watched videos like this, and usually the girls are super glammed up. For me, I acknowledge that I was not super glammed up, and that's because I had to wake up in the morning. I didn't have time to do no edges, no nothing. I actually woke up late, so it was just a rush from the point where I had woke up. So this is very raw and uncut, and I wanted to take you guys on this journey, so make sure that you guys are nice. But at the end of the video, I made a full body transformation, of course, because you know I can't be caught looking crazy for too long. And also, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is a vlog, so it is not telling you guys about how I got this apartment, what I'm doing to keep this apartment, and all those other things. So if you guys would like a video on that, make sure to like and comment that, so I know that you guys like this new apartment content. And last but not least, if you guys want to see a room transformation video, also make sure that you like and comment down below. I will leave timestamps in the description, so if you're looking for a certain part of the video, you could just skip to that, because I'm that type of person too. And also, I will be leaving like little messages in the comments, like if you want to see a room tour like this. Make sure that you guys check in the comments, make sure that you guys like the video, and if you are not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, make sure that you subscribe, period. Enjoy the video, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's crazy that it feels weird saying that, because it's been a hot minute since I've like actually made a video. Even the videos that I have that are, there's a chance that they might get posted before this, like they're pre-filmed like from weeks ago. So I have not been filming, and I feel bad, but listen, it's because your girl has been busy. It was finals for college, and it was, well, I basically have a job out here, so all my time has been pretty busy, like literally not even having time to edit the videos that I pre-filmed. But regardless of that fact, I'm back here today. The semester is over, and I'm moving out on my own, which is crazy. So yeah, I'm moving. Basically, what I did is I signed up for summer housing. You pay it like rent, like you don't get financial aid and stuff like that. But the way that it is, like technically, I've seen the apartment virtually before, so I've never actually been there. I don't know what building I'm going to be in. Hopefully it's, you know, nice, because virtually it looks pretty good. I'm going to show you guys it though when I get there. I'm kind of anxious and really excited. And then also I get like a mystery suite mate, because they don't tell us who we're getting roomed with. There's also a chance that maybe I won't get anybody like in the apartment, but I doubt that. But you know, we'll see. Also, I don't want to be lonely. I want to meet another girl. So yeah, because my boyfriend's staying out here, my boyfriend's best friend is staying out here, but besides that, I don't know anybody out here. So I'm looking into that. Hopefully that works out. And yeah, right now I'm in the stages of I'm packing up my dorm room. It's about 11. We were supposed to, like, move-in day started at 10. It stops at 4. My boyfriend's moving in first, and then he's helping move me in. So I'm kind of like about the time, because neither of us are completely done packing yet. And hopefully it's gonna work out though. I'm trying not to stress about it OD, but I'm just gonna be vlogging the process of me moving in, my first like view of the place and everything like that. I'm hoping that I could get my keys and look inside first, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. And yeah, let me just show you guys how far I've gotten with packing. Also, don't mind the fact that I'm looking crusty. Mind your business. Like, I was rushing. I don't have no lipstick on. My edges are untouched. Mind your business. Anyways, let's get back to the vlog. Okay, so you know, I have my clothes packed up. I have a couple bins. Don't mind that bag looking crusty. When I was coming here, something spilled in it, and something also poked through it, but it's a very usable bag, so I will be using it. It doesn't look too crazy. It really doesn't. But the biggest thing that I still have a few things left in this room that I have to pack up, like some stuff on the table that I was using for the last couple, well, basically for yesterday. And yeah, I just have my refrigerator, the microwave, and the TV. Those are like the 3 biggest things that I have to like unplug. But I have to clean my fridge, which is the real rush. Also, it's so crazy to be here and like nobody else is here, but the doors are open. Do we want to be nosy and look in the other rooms? Yes, we do. This is funny because this is actually the room. See, oh, a box here that's supposed to be. This is crazy because I did started off last semester in this room. I love this room. This room makes me emotional because like literally this was my bed. I used to stare out this window until I fell asleep. I used to be in everybody's business. I mean, I still have this window, so I still be in everybody's business catching y'all slacking. And then the other room, it was really cool because I actually got to get a good look of what was in there because I didn't get to get a good look of what was in there before. This room is fire though. Cannot cap. This room is pretty fire. I think it's a lot of space in this room. Maybe even more space than both of the other rooms. But that's what I'm working with so far. Yeah, so that's what I'm working with so far. Most likely the next time you guys see me will be when my stuff is all packed up or when I have reached to where I will be moving and y'all see the first reaction. So stay tuned. Okay, so I actually decided that I'm gonna walk over before I get all of my stuff and go ask if I can check out my room. It's a cute little walk, so yeah, when we get there, hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the place empty. So yeah. Yo, my life is really a movie because tell me why I walked all the way to the place and my boyfriend called me. He was like, don't go there because if you go there, you're going to have to give your keys and then you're not going to be able to get back into your room. So I'm like, oh, shoot. So then I go back to my room. I try to swipe to get into my building and then I'm locked out of my building. So I had to call somebody. So now I'm waiting for somebody to come to help me open the door and then they're going to have to basically keep something open while I'm in the moving process. So I'm going to keep y'all updated. What is up, guys? I told you guys I was going to come back when I got to the place. So I'm about to give you guys a mini tour. And I'm here with a special guest. Yo, y'all be loving him. Y'all be loving this man.
Yo, relax.
Say what's up, bro.
Chill. I'm looking tight.
No, I'm looking critical
right now.
But anyways, if y'all don't know, that is the Matt Bando. You can find him on YouTube, Instagram, all of that. Like, he has fan clubs, everything. But I'm gonna show you guys a little tour. Okay, so when you walk in, you walk into the little common area, and then this stuff is whoever my suite mate is. I haven't met her yet. And then we have the kitchen right here. You know, that's calm. And then there's two rooms over here. The living room. Walk, 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 walk. Who that? I'm
Crazy.
I'm looking so crazy, but you walk over here. I'm gonna definitely put LED lights around that because that's a vibe. And then we have the bathroom. I have to zoom out. This is actually my first time seeing the bathroom, so the lights are so dim in here. I definitely need like a mat for the floor and a towel. I don't really like this bathroom. It doesn't give me good vibes.
Yeah, it gives me very much prison vibes.
Very much prison. This is the second room, but I don't live here. I live in room number 1. Wait, should I be telling people that? I'm gonna edit that out. And my door locked without me locking it.
Say word to you.
Oh, I have my keys in my pocket. I have my keys in my pocket. What? I don't have my keys in my pocket, bro. I don't have my keys.
Yo, that is so tragic.
Yo, my God.
Damn. Kim Diamond, man.
I don't even have my phone on. Oh, this is my phone. Yo, babe, bust the door down. Yeah.
You want me to do that?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wait, no, seriously?
It's gonna break?
Yeah, most likely.
Then don't bust it down. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, that's tragic.
Okay, guys, update. I'm locked out of my room. I called the people. They said that they will be sending somebody. We've been here already for like, what, 10 minutes, you know? Not too crazy. But I'm just hoping that they hurry up because I'm very, very hungry. Guys, we're back inside. We had to get a whole RA to come unlock the door. And then they showed me how to make sure that the door doesn't lock again like that. And then, boom. I was giving y'all a tour. Okay, let me get back to this tour because that's crazy. Okay, so boom. It's like this big
relax.
It's like this big drawer. I didn't even open up the drawer yet. Let me see what's in here. Did you open yours?
No.
Imagine it's like a Wonderland. Ooh, I'm gonna need more space than this. Maybe that ain't gonna work. But it's okay. We'll figure it out. And then we have a desk over here. Okay, the dresser drawer is a pretty good size. So actually I could probably manage. And then my window. And then this is my bed. What's the word? We're upgrading from a twin to a full size bed. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of the apartment. I'm gonna get back to y'all though. Also, I'm gonna be doing a room makeover video, so make sure that you guys subscribe to see that, because it's gonna be a full transformation. But yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna get food and I'm gonna change. All right guys, so we are in Walmart right now. We kind of OD'd. We really balled out crazy.
Yeah.
But we're about to be on checkout, and we're blowing the bag right now. And we have dinner reservations with his family at 7:30, and it's 6:55. And we are not even out of Walmart right now. So let's see how that goes. And we didn't take a shower or get dressed, so yeah. Okay, vlog. You see, we done switched it up. Alright, so we're about to go to dinner with Matt's family. We were supposed to go at 7:30. It's almost 8:30. We were in a rush, okay? I'm trying to get it together. We're just waiting for Matt to get dressed now. Yeah, anyway, so we're waiting for Matt to get dressed now. And then once he gets dressed, we actually have his friend's car, so we're gonna drive to them, pick them up, and then we're gonna, babe, be quiet. and then we're gonna head to the restaurant. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. We're gonna see what Matt Bando is wearing. Show her the hair back or forward. I think back looks pretty nice, but then again, when I'm ready to pop out, I'm gonna be like, Okay, sorry. Bye. Alright guys, we're heading out. Period. Y'all gonna see us later.
Yeah, facts.
Y'all gonna
see us. Y'all gonna
really?
Oh yeah.
Really? Alright y'all, so we just came back from the dinner with Matt's parents. I did not take enough videos or pictures, but it's okay because they took videos and pictures and I'm gonna steal it from them. Right? Yeah. Alright, so I just want to close this vlog out because my storage is tweaking right now. But yeah, stay tuned because we're going to be doing room transformations videos, and we're going to be let y'all choose whose room is better. And it's obviously going to be mine.
It's going to be mine. So stop the cap. Stop playing. You know the vibes. Matt Bando going to be in there like somewhere like we do that every time at Body. That's no kizzy.
Anyway, so stay tuned. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Consistent content coming soon.
Wow, I'm looking crazy.
Me too, but bye. Say bye. Bye.
I don't like you.